You do have older gas stops in there. All right, those gas valve shutoffs don't turn easily at all. So I will make a note of that just in case you do have to shut this down and call us. All right, because like I said, those are older style. And they recently replaced this stovetop, about in the last 2 years. Yep, and I can tell that by the hose on it. They used a stainless steel hose before. Instead, now they're using yellow hoses. So I just want you to be aware of that. Newer product, they didn't replace an old product as well.